Hi guys, just Mike from the Denim Dots in Manchester. Just thought I'd post up a very quick video just chatting about a pair of flatheads that we've got in for the ticket pocket repair. So it's had a ticket pocket repair and also new pocket bags as well. They're all really battered and stuff, so this is like at the midway point now before we finish them off. So just thought I'd talk about mainly on this video the ticket pocket repair. Now obviously this was stitched onto the jeans. So we've carefully unpicked all the outside edging, all the yellow stitching to gain access to it, because they're so small, it's very difficult to gain access to it on the machine. So with this one, the customer requested that we used his spare jeans from when they were hemmed material for the repair. So we've done that. So we've put that obviously behind there, and then we've colour matched it and done some oversew work there. I'm going to do a little bit more there on the top work just to close that up, and then then obviously we're going to have to re-stitch this back on in yellow cotton so it all looks nice and neat when it's done. So if you've got some jeans and you do need to do your ticket pocket, it can be done. Obviously you could use us or you could use somewhere else. All you've got to do is just make sure whoever does the work is nice and careful at taking off the pocket itself. Obviously you can't fully remove it because it's riveted on at the top areas. Just unpick it there to gain access to it on the machine, and then once you've done all the oversew work, you can then stitch it back on, and then it's all nice and repaired then. And obviously we're going to do a little bit more work on the top areas there just to make it a little bit more discreet, and then I'm going to remove some of these white threads, and then we're going to be the loose threads, and then we're going to re-stitch all this back on. And then also at the top areas there, we've redone that in the blue, as you can see, and then I want to re-stitch some of that in the yellow as well, and then make it all look nice and neat. So it's both pocket bags done on this one as well as doing the ticket pocket, and then it's had some work done on the crotch as well. The crotch was all blown out, so we've done some work on that for him as well. So yeah, so if you've got any questions about denim, drop me an email. It's michael@thedenimdoctor.co.uk. You can also find me on Instagram. If you have a look on there, there's a Denim Doctor. There's lots of before and after pictures where we've done work. And yeah, if you've got any questions, just drop me a line. I'm more than welcome to give you a hand and help you if you're using us, or if you just want some advice on some jean repairs. Yeah, get in touch. Yeah, thanks for watching, guys. Really appreciate it as always. And yeah, if you like the channel, give us a thumbs up and subscribe. I do post up videos every now and again. And yeah, to help you with information on repairing jeans. Thank you. Thanks. Take care.